So welcome everyone. This is another series of BDL, and today very exciting because finally Yoshi is on board. One of the teammates was very hard to get him the last weeks or month. But yeah, here we go. Today we're going to talk about the level hunter. And yeah, hi everyone. How are you doing?
Hi, how's it going? Good to be here. Finally.
Hi guys.
Hi. All
Here.
right. So sound is okay. Let's go straight to the level hunter screen. Let me swap. So Yoshi, you are the level hunter expert. How are we gonna start?
Well, firstly, I just want to say why I use Level Hunter is because I kind of like the idea of fixed levels and finding ranges and seeing the price break through things and price come down and to hit support, sorry, and break through resistance. So that's why I kind of always kind of focus on what level the price is at. So that's kind of like the reasons why I use it. And then inside Level Hunter, there's different modes since the update as well. Version 1 was, as you can see, there's the blue and purple levels, which are the. So right now you've got it on. So I use it on source for levels. I use. Well, the thing is, it depends on what you're doing. So
Let's say, I mean, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin today. I think. I mean, if you prefer, we
yeah, I
can use
mean,
another chart.
I suppose it's just because if you're looking for like a stop loss area or a take profit area, the high and low is a good kind of way to use the stop loss, and then the open and close is a good idea of price breaks through, and then it's a strong a breakout. So
Is that including wicks or candle body?
well,
Candle
the
bodies.
open and close is the body, and high and low is the wicks.
Okay.
Okay, then my idea is let's talk about the breakouts because we also want to see what could going on with Bitcoin. So let's take the breakouts today. Um, what you would choose here for the next
I
settings?
I would choose strong.
Okay.
It just gives you kind of a visual aid. So you go, okay. I mean, actually, to be honest, I'll take off those prices as well. I don't really use. So if you go to the settings again,
All right.
The labels.
if you do active levels as 2, or
Active levels are
yeah,
two.
that's fine.
Okay.
So yeah, so having these levels now, you can start to see, and strong means that these particular levels are a strong level, which the price has to break through. So that's indication that the price is bullish.
Yeah.
As you can see, 3 highs there, or tops there that kind of the price broke through, and then you want to kind of see now with the price can hold that breakout. So you instantly can see where the range is and where the price needs to break out. I bet if you draw a line where on the 13th, you see where the level is at the top. So the 13th of March.
13th of March. Okay.
You mean the blue level that we are now
Yeah,
trading
yeah,
above?
yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
This
So it's
one.
just so the price is just a front run from there really in a minute. So that's where it's stuck in that kind of really tight range. So
Mm.
hopefully the price can hold that a level it's broke out at, and then look to break out again above there. So it's just kind of like showing you. So it needs to kind of break through there as well now. It's on the 4 hour, so okay.
But this
So
is our resistance, main resistance for the
yeah,
moment, no?
yeah, but it's yeah. So if you know a bit of price action, you can start to see things a bit more clearly as well. So this is like an inner structure that the price is going to try and break out of.
Cool.
So that's kind of like just a quick overview why you'd use, and the reason why I use strong is because then it's a stronger move.
I just have a question because I remember the purple and the blue ones are the basic, yeah, support resistance levels. And I remember you asked me to add these power levels here. And
Yeah, that's the new.
let's
Yeah,
let's have a look about this. The power levels you can swap on and off here. And Yeah, let's talk about it. What does this power levels means against the body levels, open close?
The reason why I like it is because if you look at what I just talked about, which was the pivot levels, we just talked about them, the blue and purple. So
Yeah,
they're kind of like a standard, and most people who are trading can kind of see those without the levels. Yeah, without the visuals, they can just go and see, right, okay, this is a strong, you can sort of see. But the power levels are really not something you can just see by the eye. This is kind of where a lot of strong volume has kind of accumulated, and there's generally an area that this area is going to be a place where it holds, or if it loses it, generally then the price will more often not then fall back uh, down and try and find some more support. It's
Are they
kind
like
of
pivots?
no, it's based on volume. So
Pure volume. Okay.
it's a
okay.
volume. Yeah, I wouldn't say pure, but yeah. Joe, would you say
It's
it's
kind
pure
of
volume, or would you?
volume peak level, or what? I mean, there where it's a strong support or resistance or volume, right?
Yeah,
So we can also count it as a strong support or resistance level. I think, I mean, on the daily, it's nice because daily is more strong signals, and I mean, here's obviously how perfectly we
Yeah.
keep the support, right? So let's have a quick replay.
it's funny because that support there in our in our Discord, I called that support as where BTC was going to bounce, and it pretty much did it.
Yeah,
Um,
Almost perfectly. Yeah.
I
yeah,
remember.
I mean, you can say, oh, it's just a high, but it's an important high. Um,
Yeah, it's important. That's for sure. I mean, in somehow you have different ways to see to indicate movements, and different levels from different indications can help you to get an overview. So I mean that's
yeah,
pretty nice, especially when you trade something which is yeah, have not much data. So if you go for micro caps, I remember you told me the micro caps are very great with level hunters. Um, yeah,
yeah, because the micro caps are great for volume if you're using a lot of volume. So focus on volume is really key, I think, for micro caps,
yeah,
Mm.
because it's just like instant data, um, and this kind of shows it really well.
yeah. Especially when I mean, here it's perfect because it's a sideway range and amazing levels to looking for, you know.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. But the thing is, with the levels you see here, they have to wait for the pivot to be strong, and then it will print.
Ah, you mean the yellow one?
The no, no, the
No?
sorry, we're just talking about the pivot levels, which are blue and purple.
Okay.
So you kind of have to wait for those to kind of confirm that that is a strong level, because obviously
Yes.
it uses a look back period. I can't remember top of my head, like 15 or 20. So it takes a little bit longer to see it. But when with the power level, it's like instant. You can start seeing the dots, and you go, right, okay, this is an important period of time. This is important price point where
Yes.
it's starting to form.
It's
And
it's crazy to see how accurate those levels are. Huh? The purple one. So once the purple line appears, that's the new pivot.
that's a strong pivot level. So
Strong pivot level. Okay.
yeah.
That's a perfect example. We touch here a resistance, and if you want to short it, you're looking for this level or maybe a little bit above or wherever you feel comfortable, and then can trade it. And yeah, it's very nice to have some assistant, you know.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah,
Here's
exactly.
like a
Because
support now. Now I would like trade this range of 1.6, for example.
Also great to place targets and your stop loss.
yeah,
Absolutely.
well, exactly. Yeah, so that's where you could use the change the level hunter to wicks, and then you can start to use the wicks as your stop loss if you wanted to. And it,
And
obviously, you can use a strong and weak to find a better place to place your stop loss.
this orange line that I'm seeing right now.
The orange
Yeah,
line is a different system which we can talk about now, or we can.
yeah. Let's talk about now. I also implemented last
Yep.
month. So these are the trend lines of the monthly, quarterly, or yearly
Yeah.
um, time range.
Exactly. Yes. So um, I use these because obviously I prefer using levels. Some people we can use EMAs to find your trends. That's that works for them. But for me, I like the fixed level.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and the so this was so if you go actually for instance if you go to ETH, I just got it on my screen here, and you put on the quarterly.
A quarterly.
It's quite
Okay.
yeah, it's quite nice.
Quarterly.
So quarter yeah, so that's
On the Ethereum chart.
yeah.
Okay. Ethereum USDT in Binance. Let's have a look. Daily or weekly, or what do you want to looking for?
It doesn't matter because it's just about the line doesn't change depending on the chart.
Well,
It's
it's
fixed.
true. It's fixed, but to have an overview, I think long term
Okay,
looks better right now. Okay.
so you can see like even on the most recent price action, price hit the quarterly level of
This
yeah,
one.
so it bounced off there. So
Yeah.
basically it's holding its quarterly price level, so which is a strong indication that the price is bullish and the trend is strong.
Mhm.
So that's kind of it. So it's kind of just like a very like just in, sometimes it's obvious. Okay, yeah, obviously price is strong. So, but it's good. It's a good confirmation that the price is holding a very strong level, which is the quarter level, which is what 4 months of price data is it?
Mhm.
The quarterly, yeah, yeah. Basically, I use monthly, quarterly, and yearly.
Okay.
So right now, the yearly is kind of pretty much everything's above yearly. So, but when we were in the bear market, everything was just kind of, and we were coming out of the bear market. It was a good indication of where the price needs to get to start looking bullish.
Mm-hmm.
It's really amazing to have a long term support resistance area, especially when we broke down this yearly support line here. I think the moment when we come back was anyway around beginning of 2002. But when
Yeah,
we broke it, the bull run was confirmed, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So
So I
You
reckon,
can also see the how the price action responded to the when we finally broke through, and then we had a little period of consolidation, and finally we find support on the is this the yearly support line.
yes, the
yeah,
yearly
yearly,
is
yeah,
no.
yeah. So I reckon if you add in the quarterly, the quarterly, say,
Yeah.
so you can see there that starts to break out at the bottom, the very bottom confirmation,
So
kind of put
when we got bullish,
back.
confirmed, resistant. I mean, here was the beginning already. This is the new resistance. Unfortunately, we
Yeah.
didn't hold it, and then we come back, and yeah, this was the when we just
Because
showed up.
it even bounces twice off that
Yeah.
price level
So
there.
it's anyway a very good confirmation. We need
Yeah,
more data, but let's say if we are exciting enough, we can finally go to price discovery, and this will be a super circle, or more likely, the Bitcoin halving is in less than 2 weeks. So I think right now everybody is kind of waiting what's going on in the market. I think, and so yeah, it's like will be a sideways action until we get like closer and closer to something. So something will coming up now, and we shoot up or shoot down. That's the 50-50 chance we have,
yeah,
and
but with price being above, yeah, price is strong right now because it's holding that
yeah.
at that level. So you would only assume that if price is still holding that quarterly
Yes,
and yearly,
I mean
then
Bitcoin looks a bit different than Ethereum, of course, because Bitcoin is leading somehow, but we are good as long we keep the support here, and it takes time to confirm it. And if
yeah,
not, it's okay, you know.
Yeah, and
Uh,
also important breakout today.
yeah, a little one. So, I mean, we have a good chance to keep the support, but it would not surprise me if we have a correction soon
Mm.
because, yeah, it feels like everybody's waiting now for the next confirmation or several confirmations.
any correction, if it is, will be between now and say end of September. I think it'll be more cushioned. I think this time around, just based on I don't know, based on things happening in the crypto world.
Yeah, true
My hope.
that.
Yeah,
Angelo, what do you think?
yeah. I also think 60, maybe 58K is the worst level.
Yeah,
There's too much buy pressure.
60, 58K, okay. I actually see the the correction. I think this part here is a very strong area.
the level hunter power level. Does that align with that? It's interesting.
Hey, you're right. You're right. This is interesting. Actually, yeah. It's an area I was looking for to accumulate more coins or money for something. But for now, I'm wait and let's see what happen.
How many percent is that from where we are now?
30% around.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
so
fair enough. I mean,
it could be. It could be.
we had a strong bull run, and a correction is healthy. We need it to go for further future directions and
Super cycle.
yeah, I mean, of course, we're all looking for super cycle. Everybody want to see it shooting up, but you know, market is market.
So
Okay,
in
try to not overwhelm it. So if we go a bit closer on the weekly, um, what you can tell us about these levels here on the right out of the chart? Ah, okay,
Yeah,
here.
if you zoom out a little bit, there
Yeah,
you have it.
okay. So those levels is another way of looking for support resistance, right?
Yeah,
How you would use it?
maybe you can close the monthly and the daily levels. It clears up the chart a little bit. That's why I like those levels a lot. So it you can also look back in history and see how the price responded to those levels. You can see that they are very important. That price always reacts when it comes to those levels.
Yeah, and also you got multiple confluences within a level hunter, so you can use those trend, you can use the power, you can use the pivot levels, and if we're getting confluences with multiple levels and price points, then it's like it's even stronger that
Yep.
that area.
Yeah, and also
Different
see what
ideas.
what the price action does when you reach those levels. It gives you real confirmation.
Yeah,
Exactly. I mean, we are all agree when we break this level here, we are probably in a new price discovery
Yeah,
as long as it's confirmed for a few more candles. But this is for now, in my opinion, the biggest resistance we have.
yeah, definitely.
No, let's have a look on the FedEye micro cap.
so
Do you know the micro cap? How much is it at the moment?
it is just a million market cap.
1 million market cap. Okay,
Yeah.
let's check the 8 hour.
So
What do you want to see?
so basically, there was that level there that I was watching for a while, and for the power level.
Okay.
So you can see how it broke through, and it kept bouncing off that, and it looked like it was kind of. I think I shared it in the group as well.
Mm,
That the price was going to kind of break through, but I think obviously the market just kind of lost its steam, and then it fell through there, and then that was kind of been like the price to break now, and it keeps kind of trying to test that same level again,
yeah.
which is 0.026, yeah. And you've even got a bit of data now for the trend level, which is also in the same sort of zone. So just showing you that you can use the power level and also how it can be still quite strong in terms of a way to look for, in terms of if you want to kind of buy below it, or you want to wait and be more risk averse and just kind of wait until the price goes back up and holds, like I thought it was going to do before, but it broke through, and then that would be a good time to buy if you were looking to buy this coin, that is. So you might lose out on a bit of on the gains from the lows, but if you want to kind of wait for that price of 0.026 to hold.
265, yeah. This is the power level. Okay.
It looks like it's consolidating right now.
Yeah, so
How
if you
does it
do,
look like on the 8 hour or on the daily?
But
Yeah, but
this
it's not
orange
looking
line here
bad.
is fixed. So anyway, it's a
Yeah.
strong resistance. So if we can keep the support here, it's a good time to accumulate, I think, or set stop loss
yeah.
below.
I mean, you could DCA up. You could say it's at now is quite a strong level
Yes.
of support. So you could add a little bit, and then you could add a bit more at the top if you wants to kind of control the FOMO and just kind of get in a little bit, and then jump in a bit more heavy. So that's just an example of how you can use level hunter on microcaps with
Cool.
not too much data.
Cool.
And also, if you want more information, just use the screener. The screener gives you tons of information on that coin, how it's performing on the RSI, the stochastic, the MACD, everything, the EMAs.
Yes, we covered it just on the last video. So the BDL screener
Yeah.
definitely worth to have a look in. And it's still free for a trail. So if you're interested in that, have a look and come to the Discord and ask for the trail for 1 month. So in whole April you have the chance to get it. So we have already done a lot of time, but I think we explained everything. So yeah, I'm
Cool.
happy with the Level Hunter here. So it's a really great tool.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And there's going to be some more updates soon, isn't there, Joe? Hopefully, we've got some more time. More time.
Yes, the next update on the Level Hunter will be the auto Fibonacci level.
Wow.
So that's the big thing, because if you want to trade microcaps and let's say you have just a couple of days of data, or a couple of months, yeah, you're looking for a Fibonacci level, and this is most of the time the best you can do, because everybody looking for Fibonacci on data which is not confirmed yet.
Yeah, and the setup that I use has some really good sweet spots that I've kind of played around with, try and find different. I don't use. It's not always the same numbers that you see there on the screen. So we're using the auto, so it uses a fixed look back period. So that's why it's automated. And I've kind of sold at the top on a few places as well, just based on these extensions. So
Nice. Does it?
definitely,
So it looks at the swing high and the swing low, and then it calculates the Fibonacci between them, or?
yeah, exactly, yeah.
Oh,
So
that's
that's why,
great.
yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, that's very cool. I think many traders from microcaps looking for Fibonacci levels or asking like, where's the sweet spot? Where can I take profit? Is it 1x, 2x, 5x from here, and so on? And I think Yoshi find out really great with this indicator which are the sweet levels, and yeah, let's implement it. So
Yeah.
update is coming soon. Depends of
Looking
our
forward.
capacity.
Cool.
Nice one, guys. Happy that we got done the level hunter, and so far actually we covered almost every indicator. If I'm not wrong, we got everything covered. Yeah.
Hmm.
I would say the next one. Have we talked about the BDL volume momentum indicator?
Not yet, I think.
So maybe we can schedule it in
Right. Good point. Then let's have a quick look for the, let's say, a spoiler. Was it the combined indicator?
It's called combine at the minute, but
Yeah,
really it
Yeah.
just needs to be changed to volume momentum.
Yeah. It was a beta.
it's still in beta.
Yeah. Here we go. Let's
Yeah.
see. let's go to one now. I have a bit. All right. So this is the one we're going to talk about it next time, but you got an idea what we are looking for. It's a volume-based indicator with OBV and different things combined. So yeah, very exciting for that as well.
Cool.
Nice one.
Okay, guys. Then yeah, thanks you for watching and bearing with us all the time. And if you have any questions, like always, don't hesitate to ask, write a comment, go to our Discord. We are happy to help you out every time. All right. So, Yoshi, also thanks for your time again and speak you
Welcome.
soon.
Anytime.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.